We have some big news coming in. Crucial meet chaired by Home Minister Amit Shah on Delhi COVID crisis begins. The second emergency meeting on Delhi's COVID situation. Union Health Minister Harshvardhan, Delhi LG Anil Baijal, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal now attending this meet. Here is the crucial meet. Home Minister Amit Shah calls for a meeting of the top officials, including Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal of Delhi. You also have Anil Baijal and Health Minister Harshvardhan. You have Tanushree Pandey. We have Tanushree to give us some details. Tanushree, here is an all-important crucial meet that is held by the Home Minister Amit Shah over the COVID crisis in the national capital. We are seeing a sharp rise of COVID numbers that directly link to the rising pollution levels. What is expected in this meet?
Absolutely, Nabila. Now, the coronavirus cases in the national capital, it's continuing and, its rise is unabated. And due to that, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has called for an urgent meeting here at his office at North Block. At 5 p.m, the meeting is underway. In fact, it's being joined by Chief Minister of the National Capital, Arvind Kejriwal, LG Anil Baijal and other officials. Now, the primary focus is going to be how to tackle this spike in the COVID cases in the national capital. Remember, Nabila, Union Home Minister Amit Shah met Chief Minister twice in the last few months about coronavirus. He intervened when Delhi saw its first spike. And as according to Mr. Satyendra Jain, now national capital is witnessing a third wave of coronavirus. And we saw in fact, in the last 24 hours, the biggest ever spike in the national capital as far as the COVID cases are concerned. So what is in the list of discussion is going to be the ICU beds, the availability of ICU beds, the availability of ventilators in hospitals. Also, notification was served to the private hospitals as well to reserve their a percentage of beds for the COVID patients. So now these are going to be the primary focus of the urgent meeting which has been called by Amit Shah. The meeting has started, and once it's over, of course, some information will be shared with the media, but let's expect some kind of restrictions because as the COVID cases are on a rise, it's unabated rise. It can be witnessed by all. Union Minister Home Minister Amit Shah is going to maybe consult Arvind Kejriwal what kind of solutions can be taken as far as
when you say expect some kind of restrictions, we'd like to hear what kind of restrictions do you think will be in place? You think another lockdown in the national capital?
Well, the meeting is underway, and once the meeting is over, the information of what is expected in the coming days will be shared with the media. Right now, saying anything like that will be ahead of time, Nabila, for sure. But yes, most definitely, this current situation of COVID, of the third wave of COVID, which the national capital is witnessing, is going to be the primary focus. That what can be done, to tackle this kind of COVID. Maybe some things have to be shut. And the availability of availability of ICU beds and ventilators in all the hospitals across the national capital is going to be the primary focus of this meeting with Amit Shah and Arvind Kejriwal. And let's see once the meeting is over what kind of solution and what kind of measures have they taken to ensure that the COVID cases the numbers are taken down. Nabila, back to you.
Right, Tanushree, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.